Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to draw a circle in AutoCAD. To activate the circle command, you can type circle or you can type its alias C. Once the command is activated, it asks you to specify the center point of the circle. You can specify the center point by either typing the coordinates or you can click on the screen. When you click on the screen, AutoCAD asks you to specify the radius of the circle. Let's specify the radius of the circle as 15. Press enter. And you've got a circle having a radius 15 and this is the center of the circle. Let's activate the circle command again. So I'm going to select this as the center point. This time instead of specifying the radius, I'll press the down key on the keyboard and I will select diameter from here. Or you can also click diameter here on the command line. So when you opt for the diameter option, AutoCAD asks you to specify the diameter. So I'm going to take 15 as the diameter. Type 15, press enter. So here you can see you have got two circles. This circle has a radius of 15, which means that the diameter of this circle is 30. And we have made this other circle by specifying the diameter as 15. So its radius will be 7.5. You can either specify the radius for the circle or you can specify the diameter for the circle. You can also activate the circle command by clicking on the circle icon here. So here you can see this down icon. So here you can see this down arrow, which means that there is a drop down list available. So you can click that and you have got some other options which you can use to draw a circle. We are going to go through these options one by one. Before that, let me draw a few lines here. Let's start with tangent radius. When you click this option, AutoCAD asks you to specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So let's say I want my circle to be tangent with this line. So you can click anywhere on the line. Next, it asks you to specify point on object for second tangent of circle. So I want the new circle to be tangent with this already drawn circle. So let's click here. Now AutoCAD is asking you to specify the radius for this new circle. So let's specify the radius of the circle as 7.5. Press enter. So here you have got a circle having a radius 7.5 that is tangent to this circle and tangent to this line. So in tangent radius, you have to specify two objects that you want your circle to be tangent with and specify the radius of the circle. Let's try this other option of tangent. Click this. So AutoCAD is asking you to specify point 1. So I want my new circle to be tangent with this circle. So I'll click here. I want my new circle to be tangent with this. So I'll click here. And I want my new circle to be tangent with this circle. And I will click this. See, you have got a circle that is tangent to this circle, this line, and this circle. So there is only one possible circle that can be tangent with this circle and this line. So you don't have to specify that radius. AutoCAD will automatically give you that unique circle. To check the radius of this circle, you can click here on measure, select radius, click on the circle. So this circle has a radius of 10.2. Let me pan on this side of the drawing. So I've made these lines for reference purpose. Activate the circle command again. The options that are available here in this list are also available in the command line, and they can also be accessed by pressing the down key on the keyboard. So you have got those options here as well. Let's try this 2-point option. Click on this 2P. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the end point of diameter of the circle. So let's say I want my circle to pass through this point and this is the first edge of the diameter. So I'll select this point, let's say. Then AutoCAD asks you to specify the second point of the circle's diameter. So here you can see on the screen, this dotted yellow line is actually representing the diameter of the circle. You can type the length of the diameter and the inclination. You can also enter the coordinates for the second point, as we discussed in the previous videos when we were talking about specifying coordinates for line. Right now I'm just going to click here on the screen and I'm going to select this point as the second end of the diameter. So you can click here and you have got this circle that is passing through the 2 points that you specified, and those 2 points are representing the diameter of the circle. Let's activate the circle command again and this time select this 3-point option. So AutoCAD is asking you to specify first point on the circle. So let's say I want my circle to pass through this point. Then it asks you to specify the second point on the circle. So I'm just going to click here on the screen, and then AutoCAD asks you to specify the third point on the circle. So I'm going to click here. So you have got a circle that is passing through this point number 1, this point number 2, and point number 3.